Hi there. So let's look at Mission 1, Lesson 1. In your pattern, which shape covers more of the plane? Gray rhombuses, black trapezoids, or white triangles? Explain how you know. Let's look closely. First thing I'm going to do is count all of these shapes. So it said gray rhombuses. So right here, I'll make a little text box. Sure, green, why not? And write in gray. And I know that that's the rhombus. 1, 2, oh, and I like to actually make a dot. So that way I know I've counted something. So, oh, maybe a shape. That would be good. Do, 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 do. Well, let's see what happens. 1. Oh, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right. So actually, let's go back here. So there were 32 rhombuses. Okay, then it said black trapezoids. I will erase the drawings I did for this so I don't have all this yellow in my way for when I count the other ones. Here we go. Insert a shape. We'll make them purple this time just to mix it up. And we're going for black rhombuses or black trapezoids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. 24 trapezoids. And the last one, the white stuff. We're going to the triangles. Now, once again, erase my pretty circles. I wonder if I can make my circles smaller for circling the triangles because, can I make it smaller? That doesn't quite do it. Maybe I put a triangle over a triangle. Let's do it red. So there's 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 56. 56 triangles. And then it wants to know which one of these shapes covers more area, covers more of the plane, if you will. Okay, and what I discussed in class many weeks ago is that I'm just trying to erase this so that you can sort of see the white and gray and black space. Is that I went to this page, this kind of triangle or this kind of triangle. When I put the two together, I can make a 4-sided shape. Either, now the right triangles are really easy to show how I can make a rhombus. Boom, there's your rhombus. And here's a rhombus. And if I turn it, oh, of course not. It wanted to be the same size as this rhombus. Well, that's fine. If If I turn it, it's the exact same size as the rhombus. So it's not in line with the right triangles. So I guess we didn't need the right triangles for this example. And then if I have 3 of these triangles put together, the equilateral triangles, what fits the design is that, and so I can just throw these away. Oh yeah, that didn't do what I wanted it to do. Okay, a trapezoid is the exact same amount of shape. So therefore, I could write down here in a text box, let's make it black, that 2 triangles equals 1 trapezoid. Not trapezoid, rhombus, my bad. Rhombus. 3 triangles equals 1 trapezoid. And a trapezoid actually could equal 1 rhombus plus a trapezoid. So what that means is there's 56 triangles. So maybe you think, ooh, the most that are here is triangles, which is 56. However, in order to compare the amount of space that it takes up or the amount of plane that it covers, I need to do some multiplication. For the trapezoids, I get to multiply 24 times 3. 24. I wonder if I could make a little dot like, sure, pretend that's just a dot. Times 3. Oh, I should have underlined it. I don't know if I can. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 72 is the answer. So 24 trapezoids, oh, back to green, equals 72 triangles. Okay, and I'm just going to abbreviate triangle so I don't go writing it over here. So already I can see, oh, the trapezoids cover more space than the triangles. And then the rhombuses, 32 rhombuses, I need to multiply 32 times 2 in order to figure that one out. So 32 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, so 64. Therefore, back to green, 32 rhombuses equals 64 triangles. So overall, see, it covered it. The trapezoids cover the most of the plane by sheer size. Because look, here's 3 white triangles together looking like 1 trapezoid. So at first glance, you really can't tell that the trapezoids, that there's more black here than any other color, but there actually is once you do the math for it. Continuing on with lesson 1. Okay, Marvin says that there are more white triangles than black squares, so the white triangles must cover more than the black squares. Do you agree or disagree with Marvin? Explain your reasoning. So here you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 white triangles. But notice this. See these 2 white triangles together? 2 white triangles is the same amount of space or area or plane that's covered by 1 black square. So 1 black square equals 2 white triangles. Let's count them. There's 3 here. 3 here is 6. 6 black squares, which equals 12 white triangles. Or just 12 triangles, right? Because in each square, there's 2 triangles. So therefore, I disagree with Marvin. So I would take my drawing tool and circle disagree. I disagree with Marvin because each black square equals 2 triangles. Therefore, it covers, or the black squares cover 12 triangles worth of area, where there are only 8 white triangles. Okay, so you should have disagreed with Marvin. Lesson summary. This section is what tells us what we've learned. This is a review before your exit ticket. In this lesson, we learned about tiling the plane, which means covering a two-dimensional region with copies of the same shape or shapes such that there are no gaps or overlaps. Then we compared tiling patterns and the shapes in them. In thinking about which patterns and shapes cover more of the plane, we have started to reason about area. We will continue this work and to learn how to use mathematical tools strategically to help us do mathematics. Terminology, which is also a synonym for vocabulary, math vocabulary. Area, region. Exit ticket. Think about your work today. Write your best definition of area. Here, from what I have learned in this lesson, and this lesson only, I would say area is the space that covers a two-dimensional plane. That's what I would write. That's the end of lesson 1, and I will now make a video for lesson 2. Best wishes.